Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, May 26th. The Zen story for today is titled The Weight of an Empty Bundle. A man climbed the mountain path at dawn, a bundle slung over his shoulder. He had walked this road before. He had carried much heavier burdens. Yet, with every step, his breath grew heavier. His legs ached. At the bend in the path, he stopped. The rising sun bathed the trail in gold. He loosened the bundle and let it drop to the ground. The knot unraveled. Nothing was inside. His chest tightened. He reached down and gathered the empty cloth, feeling its weight in his hands. A voice drifted from behind him. Strange. You walk as if it were heavy. He turned. A traveler stood there, a heavy bundle across their back. His face was familiar, though he could not say why. The wind stirred. The mountain stretched ahead. The bundle in his hands felt lighter than air. He smiled and kept walking. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body and arrive in stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out, in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. Remember, there is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. When thoughts come, let them pass like clouds, like ripples, like water. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And now take a moment to reflect. Do you carry what is heavy, or does carrying make it heavy? If the bundle was empty, what made the man's steps so difficult? Do you carry what is heavy, or does carrying make it heavy? If the bundle was empty, what made the man's steps so difficult? When does letting go feel like holding on? If the burden is gone, but your hands still grasp it, is it truly gone? When does letting go feel like holding on? If the burden is gone, but your hands still grasp it, is it truly gone? bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here day after day. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you feeling? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and also check out the practical suggestions for Zen moments during your day in our private circle group. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.